there were plans about the Nabouwalu Township. So it's basically just an inspection on the ground with respect to where we can actually begin. It's to do with the market area. It's going to be done in stages. The first stage that we're looking at is just near the wharf area that we can actually begin to do that. And as I said, there's the public convenience, etc., that needs to be put in right next to the market, and a proper waiting area and waiting facility area for people moving on to journey on to Natovi, etc. So that will be the first stage of getting things done. To start that project, and it's some ways to go before we get the bulldozers onto the ground. Some work has been done. The police commissioner also has been involved in making sure that there's space enough for them to put a station in there, etc. And it is the plans have been on a little hold for a little while, but we want to start work on it as quickly as possible so that we can get the township underway. As you know, the port is close by, and it's important that we actually do this. Nabouwalu is a thriving new place with there's a lot of residents that use that area. It's actually a transit point for a lot of cargo that moves, so it requires the different facilities to be put in there. There's a market area. You know, it's a thriving little hub at the moment without all the facilities necessary in place. We've got the standard government offices that are already there. Some may be moved around, some may not be. So it's a very important aspect of our development that we do this right, with the future in mind. And so it can become a transit point for a lot of things, and that is incorporated in our plans with respect to the township. So it's a very important part of our growth of this particular area in the north. And as you would know, there are a lot of farmers that send goods across, a lot of shops, etc., that send goods across, and goods that come in. There are a lot of people that actually move. A lot of people now travel by boat across to Natovi. It's only 2.5 hours. You know, it's a very short journey in the mornings. We've got 3 or 4 services running during the day. So you can see there's a volume of people that actually go through. Whenever you have a volume of people, you need the necessary infrastructure to take care of all of that. You know, buses, cars, goods, market area, apart from the residents that actually live there. So, but we must do it right. We must get it right in terms of making sure that the infrastructure is in place. And it was very fruitful meeting with all the stakeholders. Ministry of Lands was there also, and also Department of Town and Country Planning and myself in the ministry. So very fruitful and very engaging. You know, being on the ground makes a difference, so you can actually see what can be done immediately. TLTB also, we have some little issues that need to be resolved before we actually get the ground moving, so to speak.